Right now, many creators are losing money from their channels on YouTube. This problem is affecting lots of AI faceless channels. Even some channels that were about to start earning money are getting rejected. I normally don't like to spread bad news, but this is important. If people spend months building a channel and suddenly lose monetization, that can be very frustrating. So let's explain what is happening, why it is happening, and how you can stay safe. A few weeks ago, I received an email saying one of my videos broke spam or scam rules. The strange thing was that the video still looked normal on my page. Later, I noticed the link inside the video no longer worked because the AI tool website had changed. To be careful, I deleted the video and checked my other uploads for broken links. Soon after that, many creators online started sharing that their channels were demonetized. Some had their earnings removed for months because their content was called inauthentic. Reports even claimed billions of views and millions of subscribers were affected. This is not only happening to AI channels, even channels with real faces can be hit. So what's the reason? The platform now uses advanced AI systems to scan videos and channels. Their goal is to protect viewers and advertisers. If too much low-quality or spam-like content appears, advertisers may stop spending money. That means the platform becomes stricter about repetitive or mass-produced videos. This became stronger after a policy update in July 2025. Before, many channels were deleted. Now, instead of deleting, they often remove monetization. Here are some warning signs that can get a channel flagged. Making videos that feel almost the same every time. Letting AI create everything. Script, voice, and editing with no human input. Using the exact same template again and again. Uploading too many videos every day. Producing copy-paste style content with no changes for safety. It's smarter to upload fewer but better videos, maybe about 3 each week, instead of many per day. Also watch out for interchangeable content. This means your videos all have the same structure, same speed, same visuals, same voice, and same mood. If everything looks identical, the system may treat it like factory-made content instead of original work. Because of this, many creators are worried and think they must stop using AI completely. That is not true. The real issue is not AI itself. It's using AI without adding human creativity. AI should help you, not replace you. So what should creators do in 2026? First, don't depend only on ad money. If ads stop, your income stops too. Instead, pick a topic where you can teach something useful or mix education with entertainment. Second, treat your channel as a way to guide viewers to your own products or services. You can sell digital products, software, or courses, or build an email list. Think of the platform as a traffic source, not your whole business. Third, if your channel already lost monetization, review your videos. Remove risky ones and fix problems before applying again. And if you are new, avoid building your channel like a video factory. Build it like a real brand. Add your own ideas, change your style sometimes, and make sure a real person is leading the work. The biggest lesson is simple. Don't rely only on ad income, because it can disappear at any time. Focus on quality, originality, and building something that belongs to you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.